Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you for tuning in and welcome. So today I'll be making macaroni and chicken wings on the side, and these are the ingredients that I'll be using for marinating my chicken wings. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the video.
Keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you. It's sunnier than most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, and maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So would you keep on going? I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know.
So my marination is ready now, and I'm just gonna wash the chicken and marinate it off camera.
The sun is setting down soon. You'll never see the stars when you're all in your head. You can find beauty in the night too, but it's harder to see when you're stuck in a dream. So would you keep on going? I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Waking up feeling like it's gonna rain. It's sunny out, but it just comes in waves. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Thought the other side was always green. There isn't any color in my dreams. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Maybe just hold me, just hold me. I'm coming back slowly, so slowly. And you ask if I'm always this lonely. How can I tell you something I do not know? Sorry if I'm not in the mood. I don't really have a good excuse. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Maybe just hold me, just hold me. I'm coming back slowly, so slowly. And you ask if I'm always this lonely. How can I
normally people usually make this pasta dish with ground meat, ground beef, ground chicken as a sauce, but I did not have either of those on this particular day, so I decided to just make this vegetable sauce, yeah, something like that, to mix in with the pasta and the chicken wings on the side. And also, please don't forget to like this video and please subscribe if you haven't already. That will really make my day. Thank you so much. The subscribe button is just beside my channel name. It's written in red letters, so you might want to click on that. Thank you.
Thought the other side was always green. There isn't any color in my dreams. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Maybe just hold me, just hold me. I'm coming back slowly, so slowly. And you ask if I'm always this lonely. How can I tell you something I do not know? Sorry.
It was at this moment that I realized that the sauce I made was a bit too little for my pasta. Yeah, but I made it work, and right now I'm just layering up some cheese. I first started with the pasta, as you saw, then the sauce, and now cheese, and I'm gonna put a second layer of pasta, the vegetable sauce, and some more cheese.
I'm coming back slowly, so slowly. And you ask if I'm always this lonely. How can I tell you something I do not know? Waking up feeling like it's gonna rain. It's sunny out, but it just comes in waves. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Thought the other side was always green. There isn't any color in my dreams.
And now we're off to doing a quick cleanup as we're waiting for food to be ready. And please excuse the background noise. I'm with my kids here and there's a lot going on in the background. Seriously, I'm so sorry.
The sun is setting down soon. You'll never see the stars when you're all in your head. You can find beauty in the night too, but it's harder to see.
And now my food is ready. Look at that chicken. It was so crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. So perfect. And the macaroni or pasta, whatever you call it, it was also amazing. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to come back here in my next video. It's gonna be soon. I hope. I'm trying my best to be consistent now. So please stay tuned for the next one. Thank you and God bless.
Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking